Hi, I'm Shane with Quick Attach. Today I'm going to go over the features and benefits of our 750 breaker style post driver. We also offer a model 1150. The 750 operates on machines with flow rates between 10 to 20 gallons per minute. This gives between 5 to 900 impacts per minute. This model weighs about 1,300 pounds, is 4 feet wide, 3 feet deep, and about 42 inches tall, and has a 7-inch cupped tool. The frame of this unit is built strong and heavy. This is for two reasons. First of all, you want the frame to be strong so that it doesn't create cracks around the welds. You also want it to be massive enough so that the inertia drives the post into the ground. The vertical frame plates are 3/4 inch plate on the front, 1.25 inch on the rear, and the frame is made up of 3/4 inch plate top and bottom. Okay, so we finished our demonstration here. We were driving 6-inch wood posts. They're about 7 feet long. And we were driving them down to a height of maybe about 4.5 feet in under 30 seconds. It didn't take much effort with this powerful of a post driver. The conditions here are very dry, although it is fairly black soil without rock. So I would call it fairly average conditions as far as the soil goes. I want to make a note that these posts that I was running today here, they're old and dry. So what you'll see is that the older and drier the post, the more chipping you might see on the top of the post. Depends a little bit on the size of the post as well. If you have a fresh post that's green, you won't see nearly as much chipping. Really nice about the chain that is included with this breaker is that you can use that to pull the posts out if you need to move a post or remove a post. It also can be used as a depth gauge and a plumb bob, so you can help gauge plumb with the chain dangling, and then you can use the chain as a length or a gauge. Then once it touches the ground, you can get to a certain height. So it's pretty handy feature to have included with a post driver. We demonstrated this 750 unit on both a Bobcat and Kubota unit. You can tell by the operating it that it doesn't take much effort. You can really run at a lower engine RPM. It doesn't take much power to run this unit, which is nice. That really helps conserve on fuel. You'll also notice that as I lowered the unit, I was stopping periodically to reposition the post driver. If you try to run it continuously and apply down pressure with the boom at the same time, you'll notice that the impact rate slows significantly. That's because most loaders use priority flow going to their boom controls, and then they sacrifice some pressure and flow to the auxiliary. So you'll see a slowing of the post driver if you're applying down pressure with the boom arms. I hope you've enjoyed this video about our post driver. Check back as we make more videos just like this. As always, give us a call or check out our website if you have any questions.